So move on to password protecting. So password protecting is wonderful if you don't want other people to make edits to your sheet or workbook, depending on what's going on, or you can allow some edits. So let's start by right-clicking on the sheet, and we can do protect to this sheet. Here are the default options it comes up with, which we're going to leave, but you can allow users of the workbook to do these other functions if you choose. But we're going to leave it as the default. We're going to put on our password 1234. It's going to ask us to confirm that password. We're going to type that in again, 1234. And now, when I type in something in the sheet, it says, sorry, you're not allowed to do that. So we're going to click OK. I'm going to unprotect it. We type in 1234. And let's say that I want to edit the first 5 rows of this column. So we're going to come over here to review, and we're going to allow a range. And we're going to pick this range here. You can edit this range. And you can see here it's A1 through A5. And we're going to click OK, and then we're going to protect the sheet. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I go to type on the sheet, it tells me I can't, but let's go try to change Greg to Gregory. And you can see that in those particular cells, I can definitely edit those. If you go back and unprotect the sheet, 1, 2, 3, 4, again, everything is editable again, including the range. Now, if you want, you can go back to your edit range, and you can add or remove or modify the ranges that you need for this. Now, if I want to password protect the entire workbook, I'm going to come over here to File, Info, Protect the Workbook, and I'm going to encrypt it with a password. So this requires you to type in a password every time that you open up your workbook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Re-enter my password. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can see with this yellow that it has a password required. You do need to save your workbook. So let's go ahead and close that. Save it. And let's open that back up. And you can see before I can do anything, I have to type in this password. If I type in the password incorrectly, it won't let me in. And so now I have to go back and reopen it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm back into it. If I want to remove that password, we're going to click over here on File, Info, Password Protect, encrypt with the password. And we're just going to clear out the password. Click OK, and you can see now it does not require that again. Again, we have to save the workbook. Let's try it again. And it did not require the password that time.